4 steps to take for you to have work-life balance. We're going to go over these 4 areas. First one, and the way I would look at this is it's tough people doing incredibly tough things, like prioritize your renewal. Your renewal makes you feel renewed because you've done something away from work that helps you come back to work and feel more rested. Take a vacation. Create non-work time. Identify non-work time that you can do something that's not related to work that gives you some energy. Flex your work time. We talked about that earlier. These 4 strategies, on some level, you could hear these and say, that's pretty simple. I kind of do that. But I also want you to push your own boundary and say, maybe I could be doing more of this so that I don't get burnt out, so the stress doesn't get to me, and I start being short in my tone of voice with people, starts getting a little more irritated or frustrated, or I'm not as grounded and solid, and I don't have as much clarity in my thinking because I'm so overwhelmed or I'm so stressed. Part of this is so you can recalibrate yourself.